Hello everyone, welcome to Desert Succulents, and finally we have arrived in our newest place and we will be staying here for several years. So this is gonna be our home away from home. And if you're wondering kung saang location tayo, we are currently here in Qingdao, Shandong, China. And ito nga yung aking apartment, and itong apartment na to is free. So yung boss ko or employer ko has given me this apartment, so everything is free, from the electric, from the water, wifi, everything. Ayan, libre siya. So pagpasok nyo ng main door, ito yung parang view natin. So we have yung ating couch or sofa dyan, then yung balcony doon sa likod, and dito nga pagkapasok mo, we have yung area kung saan we will be removing our shoes. Ilalagay natin siya dyan. And actually, may kasama siyang upuan na ganyan, although hindi siya bago. And I'm thinking na papalitan ko na lang yan siguro in the future pag medyo may budget na. Pero yung area na yan, gusto ko siyang, since malaki yung space niya dyan, I wanted to parang set up an indoor plant na mini garden sa area na yan. Para pagkapasok natin, the first thing that we will see are plants. Ayan, so hindi ko alam if we will be buying yung mga plant rack na matataas or ano lang siya, para yung mga mabababang plants lang. So depende kasi nasa first floor ako ng aking apartment, and buying yung mga big plants is very, kumbaga, convenient, diba? Hindi ko na siya iaakyat sa upper floors kasi nasa first floor lang tayo. So if you wanted to watch yung full video tour nito ating apartment, you can just visit and subscribe to our Lone Traveler channel kasi doon ko ina-upload lahat ng parang my life as an OFW dito nga sa China. And syempre, definitely, I will be sharing yung mga experiences ko dito sa China. So, it's gonna be a personal and travel vlog doon sa The Lone Traveler channel. And itong Desert Succulents and Ornamental Plants would mainly focus on mga plants and succulents. So, ito, hindi ko pa rin alam. So, this area, we can set up some plant racks dyan. But definitely, I will be putting something big. Parang a big plant dyan na medyo may pagka-tropical. Then, dito nga sa ating balcony area, dito ako nagplano na maglagay ng ating mga succulents kasi naarawan sila in the morning until in the afternoon. So, iniisip ko na dito ko siya isi-set up, parang mga plant rack lang dyan. Yung parang 4 layers or 5 layers na plant rack for our succulents, para kahit na nandito tayo sa ating sofa, ayan, diba, may view pa rin tayo ng ating mga succulents dyan sa labas. And basically, maglalagay rin ako ng mga halaman dito. Ayan, dito sa ating pa-balcony na, ayan. So, this is the view from the outside. So, napansin ko yung area ko is madumi. Ayan, o, yung mga kapitbahay ko doon, malinis yung sa kanila. So, ibig sabihin, walang nagstay dito for quite some time. Kaya, hindi nalilinisan yung balcony. And I'm not sure if ako ba ang maglilinis or iba. Pero, ayan, ang view dito. It's a beautiful weather. So, autumn na, guys. Kaya, yan, that one is actually a ginkgo biloba tree. So, sa ngayon, green pa siya, pero in the next coming weeks to come, magiging yellow na yan, and eventually, malalagas na siya. So, itong area natin na ito would turn into something yellow pag mga ano na siguro, mga midweek, 2nd to 3rd week ng November. Ayan. So, ganyan yung mga buildings dito. So, pagkapasok natin, I'll show you yung rooms kung saan tayo pwede mag-set up pa ng mga garden. So, this one is the kitchen, yung comfort room, and ito yung pinaka-first room na vacant siya. It's empty actually. So, this one is supposed to be a guest room, pero I'm thinking na gawin itong room na ito as my vlogging area. So, ayan, nandyan yung aking computer. May chair tayo dyan, napakadaming chair. So, ito, pwede rin tayo dito mag-alaga ng mga indoor plants Especially dito sa area na ito, I think these are really meant for plants kasi talagang naaarawan sila. Dito malakas ang araw sa area na ito during or from lunchtime pa afternoon, maaraw dito sa area na to, kaya pwede rin tayo maglagay dito ng mga succulents. Pero the rest, parang ornamental plants talaga. So I'm thinking of growing ornamental plants if we can do aquascaping kasi hobby ko rin talaga yung pag-aalaga ng mga aquarium or how do you call that one? Aqua plants. Ayan. So, yan. Then, this is my bedroom. Ito yung pinaka-main bedroom niya. This is where I sleep. And dito, may parang modular cabinet sila dyan. And gusto ko maglagay ng parang hanging ornamental plants. So, if you have a suggestion kung anong bang plants ang pwede nating ilagay dyan indoors. So, kumbaga ito, low light lang talaga siya. Hindi siya naaarawan. Kaya, yun, pinag-iisipan ko pa kung anong plants ang pwede nating ilagay dyan. But definitely dito sa area na ito, I'm thinking of succulents again. Ayan. So, pag upo mo dito, or paggising mo sa umaga, diba, ano lang siya, parang may kurtina kasi dito. Paggising mo sa umaga, buksan mo lang ganyan, and yun. Gusto ko puro succulents yung makikita natin sa area na yan. Ayan. So, ganyan lang. Kasimple yung ating place. Pero definitely madami-dami tayong mailalagay na succulents sa area na yan. So, that's my main bedroom. And there is an empty room. So, ito talaga ganito yung light niya dito. Very, parang nasa inner room kasi siya eh. Diba? May window doon pero wala talagang light. So, ito, ginawa ko na lang siyang parang storage area. Pero, originally, gusto ko sana mag-set up dito ng, alam niyo yung parang plant racks na parang multi-layer na racks. Pero, we need to invest in grow lights. So, imi-message ko si Mars Hydro if pwede niya tayong sponsoran ng mga grow lights para naman we can actually set it up here. Ayan, diba? So, may window naman doon. Maganda yung ventilation. Ang kulang na lang is yung sunlight. Kaya we really need grow lights. And may saksakan naman doon. Ayan, madami naman tayong saksakan dito. And of course, we can also control yung temperature dito sa room na to. So, this one is yung centralized na heater. Especially pag autumn or winter. Diba? Para hindi naman mamatay or mag-freeze yung ating mga succulents and other plants. So, I think perfect sila dito. Pero yun nga, madami-dami tayong kailangan na bilhin. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And I'm so excited kasi after this tour, I will start looking for succulents. Kung saan ba pwedeng bumili ng succulents. Kasi itong Qingdao, China is really a place of succulent farms. So, dito nyo matatagpuan yung mga malalaking succulent farms na nag-e-export around the world. And I know na yung ibang sellers natin dyan sa Philippines na ang supplier nila is China. Dito mismo sa city na ito nanggagaling yung mga succulents nila. And yun nga yung kailangan kong i-discover kung saan and kung paano sila puntahan. But that's all for today muna. And thank you for continuously supporting Desert Succulent China. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.